So today, as of 2018, I want to talk about a company called Global Domain International. They're also known as GDI. They've been around for many years, and who they are is basically they're a web hosting provider that pays you residual income every single month when you refer someone to the company. So if you were to refer one person to get a .ws domain, you would earn $1 per month. And the fee to basically participate in this company is only $10 per month. It's only $10 per month to start your .ws business. And when you sign up to get your .ws domain, if you wanted domain privacy basically protects you from people looking you up on the internet on who is and finding out your home address and, like personal information when you sign up for your domain name. So if you wanted domain protection or domain privacy, you would just pay an extra $1 per month. So that's like $11 per month for your entire .ws business. But really quick here, I'm going to head over to google.com, and I want to show you guys that GDI has an A+ standing with the Better Business Bureau. They've been in business for many years, and I just wanted to show you that this company really does pay you every single month, and they have an excellent rating with the Better Business Bureau. Now, there is some home-based businesses where you have to basically you have to wait until a year, like with MCA with their new change. You have to wait 12 months. The person that you refer to MCA, Motor Club of America, they have to keep their membership for 12 months before you start getting residual income. But what I like about GDI is as soon as you refer someone to the company and they stay past the 7-day trial, you would earn a commission the following month. And from that point forward, every single time they keep their .ws domain name active and paying for their .ws domain, you would receive $1 commission. Now I'm going to show you their income calculator because this business is very interesting, and you get paid 5 levels deep. You get paid 5 levels deep, and I just want to show you that if you were to refer so many people, personally, right directly under you to the business, let's say 5 people, and then those 5 people each refer 5 people, or just 4 people for this example, you would earn $1,705 every single month with this business. And again, that's if you referred 5 people personally, and they each went out and referred 4 people, 5 levels deep. So if I change this number to 5, your monthly income would be $3,905 per month. And again, that's just you referring 5 people, and those 5 referring 5 people 5 levels deep. That's what your monthly income would look like. I'm just going to exaggerate for a little bit. And that's what your monthly income would look like if those numbers changed. Now, this income is very possible with this company. I have seen this before. I've seen videos of people earning $11,000 per month with this company. Another way GDI pays out is basically when you refer 5 people to 5 paying people to the company within a week's time, they will give you a $100 bonus. So if you were to refer 15 people and they all signed up for .ws, they got their domain name and they stayed past the trial, then you would earn a $300 bonus. And there is no limit to the amount of bonuses that you can earn with this company. Now, if you're watching this and you found me from YouTube, when you partner with me in this company, I show you how to get your information about this business all over YouTube so that people will find you. And when they find you, they can view a presentation that you've put on your YouTube channel or whatnot. But it's all about how you promote yourself over the internet. So that's the kind of marketing that I would be showing you guys how to do with YouTube marketing. And really quick, I just want to show you that YouTube gets a lot of daily traffic. And as you can see, they get 102,886,579 unique visitors on a daily basis. Right now, I have over 1,000 different promotions on YouTube working for me. So I'm bound to get found by people. And this is what I'm going to be showing you how to do when you partner with me in this company. So here's the cool thing about this company. When you refer 10 to 11 people to globaldomaininternational.ws and they become paying members, you're already earning $10 to $11 per month for as long as they keep their .ws domain active. So that means your website is already paying for itself. So technically, you could pretty much say you're in the .ws business for free. After that, the more people you refer, you start making profit. So that's something to consider if you want to get started with this company. Also with your .ws website, you know, if you're dealing with a lot of different home-based businesses, you can also have information about your other businesses on your .ws website so that when you refer people to your .ws website, they can read up information about your additional home-based businesses you're with. So if you have watched this video up until this point, be sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel. And if you think you're ready to get started with me in this company, be sure to click the link in my description and get signed up.